How to deactivate Messenger only, not Facebook. So first, let's open the Facebook application. Go to your Profile tab, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Additional options will appear and simply click on Settings. And then from here, click on Personal and Account Information. And then this page will show. Click on Account Ownership and Control, and you will be able to see this dashboard. Click on Deactivation or Deletion. Choose Deactivate Account, and you will be asked to type in your password. After this, choose your reason, and now go ahead to the Messenger app. In here, click on the three lines on the top left corner of your screen. Click on the gear icon beside your name. Proceed to Settings. Scroll down and then tap on Account Settings. Click on Personal Information, Manage Account, and after that, click on Deactivate. You will again choose your reason and then your account will be deactivated. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.